Welcome to our journey into artificial intelligence, what it really means, how it works, and why it matters now more than ever. At its heart, AI is the science of teaching machines to think, learn, and make decisions. It's a branch of computer science focused on replicating human-like intelligence, tasks like problem-solving, perception, and language, using algorithms and data. The idea of intelligent machines traces back to the 1950s, when Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" From the Turing test, to expert systems in the 1980s, to today's revolution powered by deep learning and big data, the evolution of AI has been dramatic and ongoing. So, how does AI work? First, it needs data, lots of it. Machine learning algorithms use this data to find patterns. A powerful subset is deep learning, which leverages neural networks modeled after the human brain. For example, to teach a model to recognize cats, we feed it thousands of labeled images. Over time, it learns the distinctive features and can identify new images accurately. That's AI at work, learning from data to make decisions. AI generally falls into three categories: narrow AI, designed for specific tasks, like language translation or photo tagging; general AI, a still theoretical concept with human-like reasoning across domains; superintelligent AI, a hypothetical level exceeding all human cognitive abilities. Right now, we only have narrow AI, but the other types fuel both excitement and debate. AI is transforming industries across the board. In healthcare, it helps diagnose illness faster. In transportation, self-driving cars are becoming a reality. In business, smart chatbots automate customer support. AI powers personalized entertainment, think Netflix and Spotify recommendations, and enriches education through tailored learning experiences. These examples touch just the surface of AI's real-world impact. AI's advantages are clear. It can analyze huge datasets, improve decision-making, and boost efficiency. But there are challenges, too. Bias in training data can lead to unfair outcomes. Automation may displace jobs, making reskilling essential. Then there are ethical questions around privacy, transparency, and accountability, questions we must address head-on as AI continues its growth. Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world, helping solve hard problems and opening new possibilities. Yet with its power comes responsibility. The future of AI depends on how we develop, use, and govern it to ensure it benefits everyone. Thank you for listening.